Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Khan. Winter socks design both side warmth can't be stylish. Winter socks come in a plethora of cute and cozy design, from classic fur pattern to adorable animal print. There's something for everyone. Another thing to consider is the height of your winter socks. High socks provide extra warmth and can be provided with a boot. While low-cut socks are perfect for sneaker or casual shoes. It's all about personal performance and how you plan to style them when shopping for winter socks. Keep an eye out for most have features like reinforced toys and heel for durability. As a well as a elastic band for a song fit. These features ensure your socks will last through the winter season and beyond. Now I want to share some of my personal favorite winter socks brand. Whether you're into the bold color, intricate pattern, or simple classic, there brand out there for you. Drop your favorite socks brand in the comment below. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to winter socks for girl. I hope you find this video helpful in the finding the perfect pair to keep your toys warm and stylish this season. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe for more content, and hit the that notification bell so you never miss crazy updates. Stay warm, stay stylish, and see you next video. Bye bye everyone.